Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this really pretty French tip green set. It's like a pastel green set. So to start off, as always, I prep the nails with my Untitled Beauty base coat, and I just apply that over all the nails. And once I'm done with that, I take my color. This is D&D in the shade Voodoo, and it's a really pretty green. As you can see there, it's perfect for spring. And I just go ahead and place this color on the thumbnail and the pinky nail.
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town.
Now moving on, I'm going to be taking this shade. It's by Untitled Beauty. It's called Piglet. It's a really beautiful nude color, and I'm going to be applying that all over the index fingernail and the middle fingernail.
And I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual training.
So I went ahead and separated the ring fingernail, and I applied a thin layer of the gel base coat. And on this nail, I decided to do a little swirl type of nail. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. I took that Voodoo shade by D&D once again, and I just applied it all over the nail, as you can see here. And I decided to go in with this color called Lychee by Untitled Beauty, and it's like this really beautiful shimmery color, and I applied that on the empty spots of the nail.
Thunder, baby, I wonder what.
Now I just took an ombre brush, and I just went ahead and started swirling all those colors together. So it's the base coat mixed in with that green shade mixed in with that glitter shade. So I'm just going ahead and blending it all in. And as you guys can see, I did grab a little lint-free wipe, and I'm wiping off some of the extra green color that I didn't want on the nail.
Put your sweats on.
After curing, this is how your set should be looking. Now I decided to go back in with that Voodoo shade by D&D, and I went ahead and applied a second coat to the thumbnail and the pinky nail.
I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will.
Now I'm going to go ahead and get started on my French tip design. So I'm going to be going back in with my gel polish, and with the brush that the gel polish comes with, I'm just going to be laying it down on the very tip of the nail. And this is just going to act as a guide of where I want my French tip to start. So I go ahead and do that to the middle fingernail as well.
Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
I'm going to go straight in using this liner brush. I'm going to directly dip that into the gel polish, and I'm going to pick up a good amount of product just like so. And from here, I'm just going to start rounding out where I want the French tip smile line to be, as you guys can see here.
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town. And I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through.
Here I decided to outline my smile line with that beautiful shimmer shade called Lychee by iGel Beauty. And I went back in with that same liner brush and I just outlined the smile line of my French tip.
Hold me till I scream forever, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, baby.
I want to use something in this little in this set. Okay. So I want to put bling on this nail. That's super cute. That's cute, huh? Maybe like that with like one of these or something. It's hard to pick it up with this. Ooh, that's cute. That's super cute. Okay, let's see. Maybe I'll go with that. Maybe do something with this. I don't know. Let me see. But then I really want to use one of these. Okay, so I think I'm going to use one of these for sure. These are nice too. I don't know, you guys. What should I use? Should I do neon? No, I'm not going to do neon. Okay, I'll come back when I figure it out. Okay, guys, I'm back. So I ended up deciding with going with these two, and then I'm going to add some crystals, and these are just mixed. They're just a mixed variety of them. So yeah, let's see what I come up with. So today I'm going to be using the Bling Adhesive by Zulay. And with this stuff, you have to work fast because it dries fast. So let's see here. I think that's good right there. Okay, and I think I'm gonna add some bling on this.
Trying to block my fountain. I want to play in your deep bay, deep bay, deep. Then dip me underway. You can feel my voice flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. Right up to the side of my mountain, until you reach my peak, baby, peak. Trying to the bottom of my mountain. I want to play in your deep,
So after I'm done applying the bling, looks so pretty, you guys. Like, oh my god. Okay, after I'm done with that, I'm going to be taking my nail glue dryer spray. It's the hurry up spray, and I shake it a little bit, and then I'm going to just go ahead and spritz that to help the glue dry. Now I think we're all done, you guys. Now we're gonna go ahead and top coat everything. After curing the nails in your UV lamp for a full 2 minutes and filing the edges of the nails, this is what the result should be. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.